Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Jackie and today I'm sharing with you what is inside of my kids' Easter basket. This year for Easter baskets I shopped mainly at the dollar store, the Target dollar spot, and then we did get a few things off of Amazon. So I'm going to share what I got with you and how I fill a basket for a 2-year-old, a 7-year-old, and a 9-year-old. I will say that for the most part everything is almost the same with color variations, but I did mix it up a little bit for each kid. So I'll share with you one basket in particular and then tell you how we changed it up a bit. This is actually my son's Easter basket. This is my oldest daughter's and then my youngest daughter's, and we don't buy like a cheaper basket every year or use like a cloth bag or anything. I've seen lots of cute ideas or use stuffed rain boots or umbrellas, but I just really like tradition. So I bought each of my kids a nicer basket, and when I'm talking nicer, I mean like $10 at our local Meijer. And we've used the same basket every year since they were a baby. So it is nice, it's a nice tradition, and I like just pulling it out every year and making it. So this is my son's, and I'll tell you if I changed it for the kids or if it's the same thing. But this is one of the big ticket items. It is a bug catcher, and so each kid is getting one, and it has a swinging door. This is from the Target dollar spot, and it was $3. So each kid is getting a different color. You can see blue, green, and pink. We've actually had a lot of fun with bug catchers in the past. They'll put little toads in here, or bugs, obviously, and they just kind of go out and have fun with them, or they'll make homes in case they catch something. We buy cheaper ones occasionally, and then they break, and so then we get a new one, and I think the kids will really like these, and I don't think they'll break easily. Other ones we've had are plastic, so if you drop them they crack, but that won't happen with this. So I am excited for them to find these. We got these from the Target dollar spot. They're whoopee cushions. So this one says they were $1 each. This says T-Rex Toots. We have unicorn fluffs and fairy farts. So these will be fun to give to the kids. I don't imagine that they'll last long, and for $1, if they get a few laughs, that'll be great. But whoopee cushions, you know, like we laugh about farts in this house, so hopefully this does the trick. Each kid got from the dollar store. So these two are Target. This is from the dollar store, a little bubble pack. My son got Spider-Man. We have Disney princesses and Elsa and Anna. Everyone's getting a Flarp noise putty. These are from the dollar store as well. Everyone is getting a Tootsie Roll bank. My kids like Tootsie Rolls, and then they can have a little cardboard container until I throw it out. Those are from the dollar store. Okay, so this is something that is varying between all the kids. One is getting a mint Tic Tac. This is a Fruity Tooty Tic Tac. And then my older daughter, she got Tic Tacs because she has braces, but my middle daughter doesn't have braces, and so I got her some fruit stripe gum instead. So hopefully that doesn't cause a fight, but we'll see. Everyone got a pepperoni stick. Everyone got a little mini bag of Jelly Bellies. Dollar store again. Russell Stover marshmallow bunnies. Those are from the dollar store as well. Okay, my son, we're getting him a Disney Pixar's die-cast car. I'll show you a close-up of a single Easter basket here in a moment. And then my girls are getting a mini Polly Pocket. I got these from the Target toy store, but they were all under $5. So I just wanted like a fun little toy, and I used to love Polly Pockets, so I've been wanting to get my girls something, and they really like take-along toys. And then my son has a nice collection of the toys, the cars, die-cast cars. So he doesn't have a purple one, so I added that to his collection. And then what is an Easter basket if you don't have a chocolate bunny and some Peeps? So that is the base of each of their Easter baskets. Again, I'll show you a close-up. And then from the dollar store, I got mini chocolate eggs. a bag of ring pops, and these carrots that are powdered candy, and they're still in the bags because on Easter evening I will open these up and just sprinkle them in each of them, but I don't want the bags open right now 2 weeks ahead of time because that could be a mess. And then there's also these finger flings from Target Dollar Spot. We love these, my kids play with them, but these ones are poops and we haven't had those before, so I plan to put a poop and an egg in each of their Easter baskets as well, and I would imagine that those will be nice fun. And they all have different faces, so each of my kids can remember which poop is theirs. Don't fling my poop. So one thing that I absolutely hate about Easter baskets is that grass. I will never put it in my kids' baskets, mainly because it makes a mess, but more than that, my cats will eat it, and then I will be cleaning up cat puke with Easter remnants for a very long time. And there's one cat in particular that does that. But anyways, I just try to avoid it because it's a mess. And yes, grandparents will probably bring it over, or if they get gifts from somewhere else, but I will not bring it into the house. So I'm going to show you how I will put one basket together as an example, and I use tissue paper to fill in instead. So here I am just crumpling up at the bottom a little bit of paper. Okay, so quick poll, do you reuse your tissue paper? I do. I save it, I fold it, and I use it over and over again until it looks bad, because I don't want to use it if it looks bad, but if it looks good, why throw it out? And then I'm just going to start putting stuff in. These are probably going to sit on the outside of the baskets, especially for my middle daughter, her basket. I don't know why, but I got her a really small one. And then I'm going to just start stacking stuff in here. No rhyme or reason really. Put the big stuff in, of course, and kind of fill in around it. Another piece. And that is how it's going to look until I put in these few extras. There are just a few little extra candy lays in there. But the basket looks really cute when you have the tissue paper in there. It looks kind of more like a gift. And then everything holds its shape and stands up nicely. But I don't have to deal with that really awful grass. So it is a nice compromise for me. And I think my kids will like it too. And then here is Polly Pocket, just a little $5 gift that my girls are getting instead of a Cars die cast because they don't really care about the cars. Okay, so I shared with you their gift baskets, and then each kid is getting one more gift. It's a toy, and we normally don't do one of these, but my husband had something in mind that he really wanted to get the girls, and then we had a gift that we probably have bought for my son like 9 months ago. My husband found a really great deal online, and we've been saving it to give to him just until he was a little older. So we already had that. I don't even know when we bought it, but it was like dollars shipped to us. So for my son, he is getting this giant Firetruck Melissa and Doug puzzle. I will find a link to this on Amazon. I don't know what we paid for it, but like I said, I know it was a few dollars, and I'll link to that below. And then my girls, he was inspired to get this for them. It is a gem dig kit. So you get essentially like a piece of, I don't know that it's actually concrete, but like a big rock, and you dig in it looking for gems. And it comes with 15 gems inside, and it makes a huge mess. We have never done this kit before, but he found these on Amazon. I think they were like $16 each. But we had, for Christmas, he had found these $3 fossil kits where you chisel away at the stone and you find a dinosaur fossil of some sort, and my girls went bananas for it. So he thought it would be really fun when he saw these to add them to their Easter baskets, and it was a last minute addition, but each girl is getting one of these with the promise that my husband will make the girls do it outside, because when we did the dinosaur fossils, holy mess. I do not want to deal with that again. But I know my girls will love these, and he is super excited for them to get them. So it is a gem dig kit, and again, I will link to this on Amazon. I think it was $16, but my girls are really excited, will be really excited to get these because they were so excited about the dinosaur fossil, very similar kit that they got at Christmas, and it was only $3, but it was much smaller. So if you're looking for something that's interactive, it teaches your kids something, this is, I think, considered a STEM activity, this would be a great addition, and you can order it 2 days ahead of time and it'll be there for Easter. And I hope you got some inspiration, maybe some good ideas. Most everything, again, that we got was pretty inexpensive. So if you choose not to do a big item, this basket still has a lot of nice things and is under $20 to put together for sure. I don't know exactly how much it costs, but let's see, 3, this is, let's just say 5 because the girls are 5, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's about a $15 basket if you don't get the bigger ticket items, and I definitely don't think that they were necessary, but we were kind of inspired last minute to add these. And then like I said, we've had this sitting in my closet for probably 10 months now when we needed a gift to give my son, so yay. I really appreciate you joining this video. If you like this type of content, every Wednesday I have a shopping video of some sort, whether it's groceries, Ray Dunn haul, a fun decorating shop with me, or something like this that's holiday related. Mondays I have cleaning videos, and Fridays I like to go live and just get to know people on my channel better, share a little bit about me or what's going on with my channel. So I would love to have you stick around as a subscriber, and I hope to see you on Friday. Thanks, guys.